Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Tanisha and I've secured rank 62 in INI SET July 2021. First of all, I would like to thank the entire dance faculty for the constant support they gave me throughout my journey. I did my UG from MAMC and joined DAMS in third year as a foundation student and again joined it in my internship for the test and discussion. I really think that joining DAMS in third year was the first and most important step of mine towards securing this PG rank as it gave me an early start and the faculties really motivated all of us, which I personally think was very important for me as I always considered myself as pretty average, never got any distinction in any professional exam, and I thought AIMS is only for the toppers. I still remember the talks given by Tushar sir, Deepak sir, and Sumay Sethi sir, which really brought out the confidence in me, which I think is confidence is very, very, very important for such a competitive exam. I believe in handwritten notes, and the notes stamps gave me the gold standard, and it put me at par with all my competitors content wise. In my UG, I only focused on my notes and reading the standard books, and I started my proper PG preparation only in my internship days. And personally, I would recommend all my juniors to try to read as much standard books as they can and do not compromise on that. I joined the test and discussion batch in January, and only by following that schedule, I was able to complete the reading of all 19 subjects by August. They used to take weekly tests and give ranks, so I could check my level in that subject. And if I thought कि नहीं यार performance अच्छी नहीं है, तो I would squeeze one more reading of that subject in the time given for the short subject T&D. उसमें मैं एक और रीडिंग अपने वीक सब्जेक्ट्स की कर लेती थी. Then I used to watch the after giving the test the discussions in eMedicos because it covered all the updates and the new pattern clinical questions. And even after all this, if I had any doubts or queries left, I used to put it on Dance Exclusive and the faculties always responded to my queries. Though I completed my first reading in August, I started giving grant tests from March itself. And for me, grant tests were the number one and most important part of my preparation because it kept me in the real game. And initially, there were 300 questions. I used to score around 180 to 195 correct, and it was constant. So it became frustrating. And I remember I messaged Sachin sir that what should I do? And then he said that I should give more time to in reviewing the questions. So on one of my friend's suggestion, I made a GT copy, and in that I used to write all the incorrect questions I have done, the silly mistakes, and all the new information. And by this hack and completing one more revision by October, I used to now get 200 correct in my GTs. With around 2 to 3 revisions of most of the subjects, I gave my INI exam in November and got around 1000 rank. But then NEET got postponed, and with all this uncertainty, I became really demotivated and anxious. And I did not study a single word in December and Jan, completely wasted it. And then in Feb, I gave a grand test, not a good performance. I knew that I had to get back up. For that, I kept searching for motivational videos, stories. I even listened to Sumay sir's podcast on Spotify, and that really pushed me. Initially, I started Feb with 2 to 3 hours of study a day, but in the end, I got my pace back and used to study 9 to 10 hours a day. When I got low, I used to listen to podcasts by Sir and Deepthi ma'am. In this extra time given due to postponement, I did not go behind too many updates and new information. I watched only COVID update and Robin's update from eMedicals. Other than that, all I did was revise my notes again and again because I thought GT देने के बाद कि यार नोट्स वाले ही सारे क्वेश्चन ठीक हो जाए तो ही काफ़ी अच्छा स्कोर आ जाएगा. तो yeah, initially it took me like 50 to 60 days to go through all my subjects and complete one revision. But towards the end, due to multiple revisions, I could complete the syllabus in 20 to 25 days. So, yeah, this was my strategy. And according to me, confidence and revision are the most important things to polish in this exam. And you will never feel 100% prepared even on the day of exam. So don't run from GTs ki abhi nahi aata baad mein de dunga. Just try to give them as many as possible and keep reviewing them. And do not compare your progress with people around you, because I used to do that and I got in a lot of self doubt ki am I even capable of scoring a very good rank or not. And then over time I realized ki no, I am my biggest cheerleader and I need to believe in myself, and with hard work all all of us can achieve whatever we want to. Thank you and all the best.